What we have here is an intriguing fragment of ancient Greek text, likely a letter or decree. Although it is incomplete, it offers us fascinating insights into the past. The text appears to be a record of some sort, perhaps relating to a specific event or individual within a local community. Let's dive into the translation of the recognizable words and phrases. The fragment begins with Hekem Gri, which is somewhat cryptic, but could suggest an abbreviation or a shorthand notation common in administrative texts of the time. Following that, we see aουίου, which could refer to a personal name or perhaps denote a familial lineage. It's often common in Greek texts to include the names of individuals, especially in official documents. The next part, ύπερ, seems to suggest a position of prominence or perhaps a title. The word ύπερ means over or above, indicating someone of high standing. Lam could be tied to brightness or honor, reinforcing the idea of distinction. This could imply that the subject of the letter was someone esteemed in the community, perhaps even a leader or an honored citizen. Continuing, we find αουίου again, which reaffirms that this document pertains to the same person or family mentioned earlier. The phrase lam protatou ko ethos hints at a time frame, with protatou suggesting foremost or primary, and ko ethos potentially referring to a specific year or period. This could indicate that the text was documenting a significant event that took place in a specific year, further emphasizing the importance of the individual or family it concerns. Historically, this fragment likely comes from a period when local governance and community records were crucial for social organization. Such texts were commonplace in the Hellenistic period, during which city-states were prominent, and civic documentation was essential for maintaining administrative order. This was a time when individuals were often defined by their social standing and contributions to their communities. The existence of this document tells us much about everyday life in ancient Greece. It highlights the significance of personal identity and social hierarchy. Individuals were often recognized through their familial ties and public roles, and records like these helped maintain that social fabric. When we draw comparisons to modern customs, we see echoes of this practice in how we document our history and identity today. Just as ancient Greeks kept records of influential figures and events, we maintain our histories through official documents, birth certificates, and public records that help us navigate our social structures. The importance of honor, status, and the documentation of our lives remains a constant theme throughout human history. In summary, while this text fragment is incomplete and fragmented, it provides a window into the complexities of ancient Greek society, the significance of personal identity, and the enduring nature of documentation in shaping our understanding of the past. Through these remnants of history, we not only learn about the individuals involved, but also about the cultural practices that have resonated through time.